can make your casing however big or small you need it. For this project, I'm going to use this ribbon as my drawstring. You can use a shoestring, or you can make your own drawstring. So we're going to turn it down and iron, and I've got it turned under the same amount on both sides. So that way I just have to iron it one time. We're going to need to leave an opening where we do not stitch so we can pull the string out. So I'm going to put double pins to mark where I will not stitch. I am not going to stitch between the double pins. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Double pins mean I will not stitch there. We are going to put our folded edge along the 5/8 inch mark. We're going to put our needle in, take 2 stitches forward, double pins, stitch, lift up your presser foot and kind of jump over those pins and start right here. Measure our ribbon at least twice, plus some room for carrying. Cut. And we're going to use a safety pin to put through the ribbon. And we're going to go to our opening and insert the safety pin through the casing and push the fabric onto the safety pin. And when you get as much pushed on as possible, then you hold the safety pin and you pull. And then you do it again. You see we're coming out of our other opening. Push, push, push. There's our pin. Pull. I'm going to take the safety pin out, and we're going to tie a knot. Okay. Our drawstring bag is completed and ready to be filled with all of our sewing supplies. Thank you for watching Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Until next time.